Catering, of course. Thank you so much. Hi, ma'am. Thank you. First, of course, I would like to thank Jennifer Weddings and Events. The team has been very patient for all our demands. Miss Jennifer's going to fly to Japan. The team's over there. Thank you so much, everyone. Sir Mark Lester, thank you so much. Palapakan naman natin siya. He's done so much to keep us all alive.
Ni Jennifer, si Mavis Catering. Sila naman i-charge ng pagkain ngayon. Lahat naman tayo natin naging masarap yung pagkain natin.
Kailangan nyo lang gawin ay mag-twerk hanggang matanggal ang ping-pong ball sa loob.
Of course, salamat din sa mga suppliers namin. Of course, Miss Jen, grabe. Thank you for making this all happen. Honestly, hindi ko naranasan yung stress bilang bride. Lahat binigay na po ng team ni Miss Jen. So, salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much, Bless. Ang ganda na rin yung reception. Thank you very much. Jennifer Wedding and Events, si Miss Jen. Simula sa bago yung kasal namin, yung pakipag-usap, mga meeting namin sa simbahan mismo, yung reception. Simula na madaling araw na nag-uusap kami, alas 12, alauna ng umaga. Kumbaga naging swabe lahat. Kumbaga hindi kami nagkaroon ng problema, hindi kami nagkaroon ng issue. Yung mga susunod na dapat namin gawin, naka-ready na kagad, naka-alalay na kagad. So kumbaga malaking pasasalamat namin kina Miss Jen at sa buong team nila.